Most self-improvement advice it's a lie. They tell you grind harder, wake up at 5 a.m. hustle till you drop. But despite all that effort, you still stuck. And here's the brutal truth. It's not your fault, even if I told you the whole system's rigged against you. And if you don't learn the real game, you stay trapped in that loop. Motivation, burnout, guilt, repeat. There are 6 hidden reasons most people fail. The dopamine trap. Ever felt tired up after we are watching a video, only to lose that spark the next day? That hate weakness, that's dopamine. Self-help spikes your motivation, but it doesn't sustain it. See, Stanford found that dopamine hits just from planning a goal, not from actually achieving it. So your brain, it gets addicted to watching improvement, not doing it. That's why you binge all these videos, but nothing changes. And the more you watch, the worse it gets. There is a biological hack to fix this. Almost nobody is using it. The identity gap. Here's what no guru tells you. You don't become successful by changing your habits. You become successful by changing your identity. James Clear nailed it. Every action you take is a vote for the kind of person you wanna become. But most people, they try acting successful while still believing they are broken. And when your identity don't match your action, your brain self-sabotages. That's why your progress keeps resting. One shift rewires this permanently. The burnout myth. Let's be real. You go all in, woke up early, ate till, went beast mode, but it never lasts. For self-improvement ain't a sprint, it's a system. And without rest, your brain rebels. In 2019, a group of entrepreneurs tried a 30-day challenge. By day 70, 74% quit. Not cause they didn't care, but cause they treated change like a war. Instead of alignment, you are not broken, your system is. The 1% rule. Wanna win? Stop shooting for massive change. Start going for 1% daily wins. Sounds basic, but it's the only thing that works long term. Example, the British cycling team. They sucked for over 100 years. Then they made tiny tweaks, better pillows, light bike mode, smarter recovery. Within 5 years, Tour de France won. Success is just compound interest of tiny wins. The comparison black hole. Comparison is destroying your growth. Scrolling social makes you feel like everyone's doing better. But here's the real truth. You are seeing their highlight reel. A Harvard study showed comparisons kills motivation and crushes self-esteem. You end up chasing their goals while ignoring your own path. That's where the anxiety creeps in. Fastest way to grow. Focus only on where you were yesterday. The accountability unlock. Here's a fact. You will fall alone, that's no drama. That's neuroscience. Brain scan showed accountability activates the prefrontal cortex, the part that controls discipline. That's why the most successful people, they don't do it alone. They've got mentors, systems, deadlines, teams, even YouTubers you follow. They got editors, partners, feedback loops. Self-improvement ain't solo, it's social. But actually work. Here's the truth. You don't need more hacks. You need fewer distractions. Real success is equal to identity shift plus system plus tiny wins plus feedback. And above all, belief. Not blind hope, but believe in your ability to adapt, because no one's coming to save you. But if you take the first tiny step, you'll build a life no one can ever take from you. What's the one tiny step you are taking today? Drop it in the comments. And if you felt this, save this video, come back to it when you are feeling low, and send it to someone who's stuck in the fake grind. This ain't the end, this is the beginning.